It is a gray day here at Tura. I'm at Tura Golf and Country Club. This is a community of mobile homes. There's a big debate about mobile versus manufactured homes. So these actually qualify as both. So they are mobile homes that come in on wheels, or they came in on wheels way back when. And then they were manufactured in a facility and then brought on site. And so that makes them manufactured as well. Anyway, this is the house that we just renovated. Addison did such a good job on this, my husband. Look, it's got great curb appeal, bright white. He even, there was gross old paint on all the sidewalks, and he ground off all the paint. So you got just the new looking concrete. It's nice. All right, let's go inside here. All right. Okay, nice little entryway. Here's the entryway. Little sitting room there, and then here's the living room. Looks very nice. There's nice tall ceilings in here. And this kitchen that he renovated, it turned out gorgeous. Look at that beautiful glass tile. Look how cool that is. He got that at Costco. And I mean, it was very reasonable. It's just beautiful installed. And here's the kitchen. And what makes this community unique is the homes, first of all, as you saw outside, they look like homes. And then here's the other thing. Look at that, 2-car garage. So Tura, all the homes have garages, which is very cool. And here is the first bedroom. This is like the guest room. Nice big closet right there. Tura has a, I think it's 3 9-hole golf courses. And it's a really nice community and people love it here. There's a restaurant and pickleball is very fun here. There's a big pickleball community here. All right, so we installed these washer and dryers. They were in the outside in the garage. We pulled them in and installed them in here in the hall. And this dryer is really cool. It's ventless. We've never done a ventless one before, so that was cool. We didn't have to run a vent for it. I never even knew you could do that. All right, so here is the master. Nice large master. And there's me. Dina Sowers, look for the flowers. All right, so here is the master shower. They did such a beautiful job on this. Love that tile. Very cool. It's subtle because it's all gray, but I like the patterns on these tiles. Very nice. All right. That's the master shower. And here's the really cool part about this house. The view. All right, so you've got this nice, very large lanai. Really large lanai. And it overlooks the golf course and the and this little pond. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that view. So beautiful. So while you are on the golf course and you are on water, you have nobody passing by you because way beyond those trees, there's a tee. There's a golf tee, but then there's no other tees near you. So there's no reason for people on golf carts to be near you. So you get the view of the golf course and you get the view of this gorgeous pond. with the neighbors way over there on the other side. Not bothering you at all. But you don't have any interference from them. Got some nice mature trees on this lot too. This was a really nice one. Did a great job on this, and the location of the house is great. You got this nice side patio here too. So this is Tura Golf and Country Club. And I think we're gonna do another renovation in here. So if you are interested, let me know. If you're just buying in Florida, I can help you with that as well. Give me a call and let me know what you're looking for. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. And it doesn't cost you anything. Just hit the button. Thanks for watching.